Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name is David Aqua and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm currently at my local Hobby Lobby where they have a bunch of these Mojo, Papo, Schleich, Safari figures. How about we work our way from the left and go right? Here we have some dinosaurs. I mainly collect the dinosaur figures. Look at some of these packages, man. Here it is, Dinosaurs from Wild Republic. Pretty good looking too. Holy crap, look at this, oh my gosh! Spinosaurus. Feels good too, squeeze me, I'm soft. These are some really colorful figures right here. Really good in detail. You got some bears and hippos and gorillas and sharks and wow, look, a pig. When I was a little kid, I always wanted a pet pig. Giraffes. Let's see. We got horses here. Okay. These are from Safari. Okay, Safari figures here. Here. Oh, tubes. Look at this. Dino babies. Dino babies. We got other figures here also. We got the long-necked dinosaurs, brachiosaurs, brontosauruses. I'm trying to get it to focus here. Come on. Come on, focus. Good enough. I like the colors, like the paint work on these things. Look at this. Ankylosaurus, Ankylosaurus, whatever you want to call it. I loved this dinosaur when I was a little kid. Look at all the details on there. The scratch marks, the paint job, the scales. Oh my gosh. How much are these? Pretty decent prices, man. Okay. Iguanodon here, duck-billed dinosaurs. I like the colors. Yeah. Pretty good looking figures, man. These are Mojo. Mojo Spinosaurus right here. What's this? Ooh. Tyrannosaurus. Mouths move. Good details. Got a green one. And we got here T-Rex. Oh my god. What the crap? What the? Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh, there. Good as new. Let's see. What other figures do we have here? We got, let's see. Alligator, crocodiles, good detail. Turtles, oh my gosh. Tortoises here. Birds, horses, tigers, farm animals. It's pretty good, man. Pretty good selection. So stop by your local Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh.